Hello, how's it going? This is going to be a defrost issue on a Samsung refrigerator. There's your frost on the back wall there. So what I do next is force a defrost. I'm going to check power coming from the board to the heater, have my 120 volts. Also check my current draw. That lets me know that I have power coming from the board and I have a good heater and it's actually working and heating up inside that unit. So what I suspect next is the actual sensor for the freezer defrost. I'm going to locate that here on my wiring diagram. Locate my points here 6 and 4, which is my ground to blue. My reading there was about 41 degrees. So at this point I pulled the sensor off, get a glass of ice water to about 32 degrees. And once I do that, I put the old sensor in there, just confirm, and I get about 27.75 k ohms. So I want to check it on the chart here and just see what that converts to. Here we have about 1.4 to 3.2. So at this point I know that it's bad. That's not going to be the temperature. That's the new sensor right here at 13 k ohms. Here I'm going to pull it up on the chart again just to confirm it, and we got about 32 degrees, so we know that's the issue.